We had opened a box a couple of weeks ago that contained this. This is a 3D printed bottom of an adjustable kettlebell. That solves a huge problem in training. Our goal is always to get people the most training, the best training for the least amount of money in the least amount of time. The best piece of equipment so far for that is balanced between a competition adjustable kettlebell from Bells of Steel, SoCal Kettlebells or Kettlebell Kings, and the ADEX Club and Mace system. This one is probably more accessible for more people. You're looking in the 250-pound range. What it gives you is, I believe, 19 weights, which replaces about $3,500 worth of equipment. The addition of a piece like this now gets us the addition of another $200 worth of equipment. We're going to take the lightest weight of this bell from 12K down to approximately 8K. That is what a lot of people need who have contraindicators. There's a lot of people out there who've been injured, who have spinal injuries, who don't just need big weights, they need little weights, and they need it all to go in the same space. We are going to use this, which is the Council Tool Woodcrafters Pack Axe, I believe. This one's been in the truck. It needs a little bit of love. A little bit of surface rust on there, but that doesn't hurt anything. The great thing about a woodcrafter's axe is it is designed for you to choke up on it so that you can do small carving tasks or open boxes. Of course, put your axe mask, speech impediments coming through, back on, and then return it to your truck. First things first, I like this. This is paper packaging instead of something like styrofoam or something else. We need less crap in the world, so I think that that's pretty cool. Inside the box here, oh yeah, we now have a blue. Ooh, we have a redesigned red with Mark Wildman logos on everything. Oh, this is a whole new redesign. So I was talking to the company and we were discussing how to make the designs better and better and better. Oh my God. So we now have a pile. We have 2 of these blues for testing. We have 2 of these blacks for testing that are just solid prints, I think. There's probably, it feels like there's voids on the inside of them. And then this one, which is really just a very light shell with some structural reinforcement on the inside. And a crayon. I don't know if that's supposed to be in there, but it's hilarious and I love it. Paperwork. Regards from Jay. Some notes on the shells. Blue, silver, identical to the first shell he sent me. Confirmed. Black, modified design to print a full set in less than half the time. Engineering, a faster production, which means that they can make more of them in less time. Red, concept design to decrease material usage in print time. Once again, design and engineering. Concept design to decrease material usage and print time. This failed basic durability testing. So he's sending me the ones that he has already had fail so that I can have them fail, because I like to break things because I find it fun and entertaining to figure out what kind of abuse equipment can handle. And then we have these, which are meant to hold Olympic lifting sized small plates on the inside so that people can micro load their kettlebells even more. That means we go from 19 weights to 36 weights, because now we can go from 1K jumps to half K jumps to quarter K jumps. We've just made the perfect piece of equipment. And I love this, just paper, chopped up, biodegradable, can go in the wood stove in the winter. And I don't know what I need a red-orange crayon for, but I think it's hilarious. Thank you to Jay. This is one of the more recent bells I got from Bells of Steel. It opens with a screw on the top. We have a bunch of videos on this piece of equipment because I think that everybody should have this piece of equipment and run programs with this piece of equipment. This is the normal bottom metal shell. The blue sits directly on there perfectly and screws on perfectly. And now we have an 8K kettlebell, which is approximately 17.6 pounds. So we're gonna have to do some testing. The goal of having 2 of these is that we can start to do double kettlebell stuff. Double kettlebells are extraordinarily difficult when you do them for long periods of time. They're not so bad if you do them for 3 to 5 reps. They get really awful if you do them for 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. The whole point of this system is that we can make the bells light enough that we can set our target time frame, train for it, and then start adding 1 or a half a K to the system and walk our way up. We're trying to create the perfect system for adaptations of athletes to the most important sport activities for kettlebelling. The whole point of this is that it is a prototype. We don't know what's going to work. We don't know how strong they are. We assume that they're going to work really well because when you actually do double kettlebells, the impact point of the bells is up here on the top half. So we don't expect to be clanging these things together with a lot of force. But frankly, I think that they're really strong. And that is the point of engineering. We try a bunch of different things out. We have an introductory idea, and then we figure out how to do it better and faster and stronger over time. But the idea is that now we will have a piece of equipment that will start at 8K and go all the way to 32K, which can cover the fitness needs for almost everybody on the planet for their entire life. We can always make things better over time, and we do that by experimenting. Try something new, see if we break it, repeat the process over and over and over again, and over time, everything will get better. That is civilization, and that's how the world goes up.